Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about text tags in HTML markup language. In this session, we will see what are the different text tags that are used for the decoration of the text. Whenever we want to display any text on the web page, then that can be displayed in different formats. So such formatting of the text can be achieved by using the text tag. So in this session, we will see some basic text tags that are used in the HTML programming, and we will see some suitable examples of using such tags in the HTML code. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and as I say, you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos related with your curriculum or related with your study. So let us start the session with the question, what we mean by the text tags in the HTML or in hypertext markup language. So whenever we have been given some text and we want to display the text on the web page, then it is necessary that we should decorate the text. That is, we should give some additional emphasis to the words or messages that are being used in the text. So we can make some text as a boldface, we can make some text italics, or sometimes we can underline the text. So this is possible by making the use of different text tags that are available in the HTML. So such a decoration or giving additional emphasis is very important because it will pass appropriate message to the audience or to the viewers of the web page. So we have different text tags such as B, I, U, pre, and address. So B is a bold tag, and this tag is being used for the boldface of the text. So whatever you write between B and closing of B, you will find that that text will appear as a bold. So for example, if I write this is bold, and if I enclose this text within the bold tags, then you will find that this will appear on the screen in the boldface. If you want to make your text which can look like the italic, then you can make the use of I tag. This is italic tag. So it will see that whatever you write in I tag, you will form that it will be it appear on the screen in the italic form. If you want to underline some text, then you can make the use of underline tag, or it is called as the U tag. So whatever you write between the start U tag and end U tag, that will appear as an underline. So for example, suppose I have prepared a simple HTML code. So initially I have declared the document type as HTML, then head section. In the head section, there is a title tag, text tag. Within the body, I'm displaying the message. My name is Prakash Khanade, and this Prakash Khanade, I want to appear in the bold face pattern. Therefore, I will enclose these words in the B tag. Then there is a break so that the new line will appear. The next line will appear on the as a new line. Then see you again. So this is italic text, and visit to DSM College. So I will underline this DSM College word. So whenever you type and when you save this as a p2.html, and in a browser, whenever you give appropriate path to your file, then you will find that the browser will execute this file, and on the screen we will get the message like this. So one can easily observe that this word Prakash Khanade has appeared in the boldface, see you again has appeared in italic fashion, and DSM College word is underlined. So such type of the formatting of the text can be easily done by using the text tag. There are some other text tags such as pre tag. So this is a pre-format tag. So whenever you want to pre-format the text, so that is whatever you enclose within the pre tag, you will find that that will appear in the monospace form. So for example, if you want to prepare some column list, then in that case, or if you want to give some format to the text so that it will appear as if a table form, then you can make the use of this pre-format text. So for example, if I use name, marks, and percentage, and if these are enclosed within the pre-tag, then you will find that they will appear as a column list. Then there is a subscript tag. Many times when we write the equations, then we need to make the use of the superscript and subscript tag. So subscript tag is used so that the content will be displayed in the subscript form. So for example, if I have a formula H2O where 2 has to be written in the subscript form, then this 2 can be enclosed within the subscript tag, SUV tag. If the same text, if you want in the superscript form, then you can make the use of SUP tag or superscript tag. So for example, my formula is E is equal to MC square. Then in that case, I can enclose this 2 in the superscript form. So for example, I have prepared a simple file and I have saved this file as p3.html. So you will find that name, marks, and percentage. And then this H2O formula 2 is being enclosed in the subscript form, and E is equal to MC square, where 2 is enclosed in the superscript form. So whenever this file is saved and when you execute this file by using the web browser such as Google Chrome, then you will find that on the screen, you will get the appropriate text in the appropriate fashion or in appropriate form. Another tag that frequently the HTML programmer need to make the use of is the font tag. So whenever you want to format the size, typeface, and color of the enclosed text, then you can make the use of this tag. So it has 3 attributes: size, face, and color. The size can be specified in the absolute or relative values ranging from 1 to 7. So 7 means the size is larger, 1 means the size is smaller. You can also put a plus sign or minus sign before the number, so that will change the font size relative to the default font size. The color attribute can be used in order to change the color of the text that will appear on the web page. So it is a RGB value, red, green, blue value. So you can specify the particular value, or you can specify color name also, so that the appropriate color will be given to the text. The face attribute will specify the typeface that you would like to use for the text enclosed by the font element. So it can be single typeface, such as Arial or Courier, or it can be a typeface which can be separated by a comma. So whatever is the available typeface that will be used by the browser. So for example, I have a file p4.html where I have displayed the text. This is size 4 text and the font size is 4. Then I have displayed the text. This is size 7 text where the font size is 7. Then the color I have used, this is yellow text. So I want yellow color. Therefore, yellow color means red and blue, red and green are maximum value FFFF, and blue is 0. Therefore, the color value is hash FFFF00. So this text will be displayed in the yellow color form. And then the typeface is used as Arial. So this is Arial text. So whenever you save this file and execute this file by giving appropriate path by using your web browser, then the screen will display. This is size 4 text. This is size 7 text. This is yellow text. And then this is Arial text. So this way, you can make the use of different text tags that are available in the HTML, and you can format your text that will appear on the web page as per your requirements. So thank you, friends, for viewing the session.